Samsung might be preparing one of its boldest updates yet with One UI 8.5, and the biggest highlight is a complete redesign of the quick settings panel. This shift feels more ambitious compared to the relatively quiet arrival of One UI 8, and it's already generating strong buzz. Fans are eager to see how this new approach will transform daily usability. And from the early looks, it could be a game-changing move unlike its predecessor. One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be more than just small adjustments. Reports say this version will offer major flexibility, especially in one area users interact with daily: the quick panel. Samsung is finally taking customization seriously, and the ability to fully control how your shortcuts appear is a feature that could instantly stand out. Insiders close to the project have hinted that Samsung is actively testing this change. Screenshots have surfaced showing the polished look of the updated panel. The main difference? Users will no longer be stuck with a default layout. Instead, they'll have the freedom to design the setup themselves, arranging it to match how they actually use their device. One of the biggest frustrations with current panels is being forced to scroll through tools you rarely use. With One UI 8.5, that irritation is set to disappear. Samsung's redesign will allow people to add, remove, or shift controls entirely. It means faster navigation, cleaner organization, and the sense that your phone finally adapts to your needs rather than the other way around. The new design uses a block system, where each block serves a purpose. Some act as basic toggles like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, while others function as sliders for brightness or sound. The idea is simply you decide which blocks matter most. This modular approach transforms the panel into a practical and personal space, tailored directly to your lifestyle. Think about it this way: instead of wasting time tapping past unused options, every block on your screen will serve your routine. Music controls, smart home shortcuts, or even a TV remote option could sit right where you need them. The result is not only convenience, but also a smoother experience that feels faster and more efficient with every swipe. This redesign isn't just cosmetic, it's about boosting functionality. The streamlined layout means your device responds quicker, and you spend less time navigating clutter. It's a subtle improvement with a huge impact on daily tasks. When your most used controls are one tap away, the phone feels more responsive, giving you a sense of control. The buzz surrounding One UI 8.5 is amplified by the fact that version 8 didn't make major waves. That update was considered modest, with only small refinements. But now, Samsung seems to be answering fan expectations by delivering something tangible. For users who felt underwhelmed last time, this quick panel overhaul could make up for it. The timing of this release also adds to the anticipation. Industry watchers believe Samsung will launch One UI 8.5 alongside the Galaxy S26 Series. That means the update could debut with brand new hardware, giving fans a double reason to be excited. A redesigned panel plus a new flagship phone is the kind of pairing that grabs attention. January 2026 is the date insiders are pointing toward for the S26 launch, and by extension, the arrival of One UI 8.5, though official confirmation hasn't yet been made. The speculation alone is enough to stir interest. Whenever Samsung attaches new software to a major flagship, it signals that the company views the upgrade as a headline-worthy change, even with details still under wraps. The idea of a personalized quick panel has already energized discussions among Galaxy fans. Forums and comment sections are filling with debates over which features people would prioritize. Whether it's music sliders, smart home tools, or simple brightness controls, the excitement proves users crave this flexibility. What makes this feature stand out is how it aligns with modern expectations. Today, people want devices that mold around their habits. By letting users shape their panel, Samsung isn't just offering cosmetic tweaks, it's creating a deeper connection between user and device. Fans are eager to test this redesign and see if it truly elevates the Galaxy experience. If Samsung delivers on this promise, One UI 8.5 could mark a turning point in how customization is approached on Android. For now, anticipation builds, and everyone is waiting to see if it lives up to expectations.